crafters. Welcome to my channel, Margaret Knob Designs. I'm so glad that you're joining me again. This is our collaboration that we're due every month. It's called Smash or Stash, and it is hosted by Beth from Bourbon Creek Crafts and Teresa from Fresh and Renewed by Teresa. So this month, what we were planning on doing was smashing some of our stash of buttons. And so what I did is I pulled out a kit that I had gotten from Queen & Company, and it's called a shaped card kit, and it's a teapot. And so I took the kit. There's a little stamp set in there, and then with this one you get a die. This die cuts out the background for what's inside the shaker part, and then this cuts out the front of the teapot, and then this cuts out the lid of the teapot. So it's pretty easy and pretty simple to put together. And then you do get some foam shaker bits where you can punch those out, and then also some acetate covers. And the nice thing is too is that you get cards, the shaped cards, and then you also get some envelopes that are big enough for the shaped cards. So it's a cute little set, and so I decided to work on that. And then I had these little accessories, and I bought these from Country Craft Creations, and they come in a kit where they have some of this. It's just like a string with leaves on it, or a ribbon with leaves on it, some sequins, and then the sequins are yellow, and some leaves in there, and then just some nice beads, and then a mixture of buttons that are green and yellow, and then these mini beads. I know there's a name for them, I can't think of it. And then a couple of charms, 2 charms in there. So I bought a few of these kits thinking I would use them up very quickly, but I did 4 cards, and you can see I didn't use a lot of these up. I actually bought a couple other kits. So they come like this, and they are by 28 Lilac Lane from Buttons Galore, but I got these at, like I said, at Country Craft Creations, so check them out there. I think these are great for like a fall shaker card. So that's what I did. I used my buttons, and these are my cards that I made with this shaker kit. So we'll just take a look at these really quick. I have a sentiment tag on here that says "You are terrific," and I used a button up here and just tied some string through the button. And then I have a couple of these flowers that were left over from my Queen & Company flower stash. But you can see I've got quite a bit of shaker bits in there, and I used everything. I even cut the leaves, the brown leaves, off of that string. And then I went a little lighter, and I made this one. This one I really filled up with the buttons, and there's pumpkins, a couple different colors in the background, some of the flowers. I used the same stamp on all of these, "You are terrific." I thought that was cute because I was thinking about donating these, and I thought there's another one that is "You are beautiful," and I just wanted to keep it more of a generic sentiment. But then I did stamp in here, "Sending you a cup of friendship." All of them I actually did the stamp. This one I made a mistake on. So when you make a mistake, you then have an opportunity to put a better sentiment in there because you get to cover it up. So there's always good things about it. And then I went to this design, and again, "You are terrific," a flower and a button at the top with the string in there. I did all of them a little bit different, but this mixture was the same in all of them really. And then our last one, a little bit more simple, "You are terrific," and on this one too I stamped "Sending you a cup of friendship." And basically there's the cutout, you glue that down, and then you glue this cutout piece down with the top on, and basically the card is done once you've filled this with and covered it with a piece of acetate. And these are the envelopes that they've sent with it. So you actually have a pretty generous envelope to send it for the depth of the card. You can see the depth. There's usually pieces that are left over from the foam squares. So these are my leftover foam square pieces. And what I'll do is I'll save those and use that for cards or for other things that I want to raise up if I, rather than using my foam tape. So a really quick and easy video today. These are my 4 cards, and I used quite a few buttons in this, and I hope you like them, and hope you have an awesome fall day. The weather is just really changing here. I live in Wisconsin, and I hope that you're getting to experience some of the lovely fall weather. So thank you so much for joining me, and have a great, great week. I should say weekend because we're almost there. Thank you.